So today we're going to
Today we're going to
sleep.
Tupi.
To feed.
We're going to Tupi.
Yeah.
Well, and my dad is going to look like
A straw hat.
Luffy straw hat. Luffy the monkey.
Monkey the Luffy.
But Brave is Luffy the gorilla.
I'm sorry.
Let's go.
Straw Hat Bibo.
Dad, can you go back? Can you go back?
Where?
Can you go back?
Go back where?
Pretty girl. We're going to
We're going to
Tupi.
no.
Ay, where?
Where? Give me this thing.
We're going to the
Wait. We're going to Mexico. Kidding.
Where are we going?
Kidding.
Okay, again.
Going to Mexico. We're going to Mexico.
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 Sing
No.
then sing.
Or sing.
I thought it was spaceships flight. I thought it was zombies.
No, that's a tank.
And I thought, or sometimes they think that it was a spaceship.
Baligya to?
Siguro.
May prutas lang.
Baligya.
Ay, na yung maganda daw baligya. Sa muka. Na ay mga ano lang. Karang
Naalagi undang ta?
Unsa na? Unsa tag ana? Street food.
Undang ta?
Ay, unsa man ni? Oh, pwede man. Ato po daw, busy po dito sa muka ay.
Sa muka.
Dagan tayo dari
Sa
lang.
muka kaayos.
Nagbulak mo gani lang ko Andre oh.
Ay, oo, it's pink na. Look, oh.
Brave, di matabok ha?
Hi guys, we are in Crossing Repolyo. It's so nice. Amazing vacation diri. We are in Crossing Repolyo. Dari na side ano na sila, nag-harvest, tapos dari pa harvest side pa lang kay nag-ready na sila dito. So, kung makita ninyo guys dito sa pinakatumoy, daghan kaayo og mga tindahan, mga kape-kape, mga pika-pika, mga street food, kikiam na ay nagbaligag fishball and kwek-kwek. So, if hapon weekend, daghan din gaadto diri na amaze ko. Daghan kay ilang taas pa gid ayo. Amazing kaayo. Look.
So we're still on the road guys. Of course, obviously na mas dalan. Padulong mayo kasi ito lang. Likod sa Domesville, Kablon. So muna ang mga pineapple fields. Di ba Brave na on TV no? It's pineapple grow on trees.
The YouTube channel Brave that like I was watching.
Onions don't exist on the trees. No, is there any onions on the trees? No. So that it's our, our
Dari ka maglikos?
Savior and Lord. Our 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 Of course! I already said it to you, bro.
It's a painting.
Ito yung mag-explore, explore. Motor kay kuan na.
Motor yun lang.
Simentado na.
Motor yun ta diri.
Wine, 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 wine. Do you recognize that music?
That's pineapples. Pineapple. Those are pine trees. Beside the pineapple trees.
I don't call them pine trees. I call them.
I really like that view over there. And that view over there. The most beautiful view. You know where?
Do you know where's the
That's
most?
the most beautiful view.
Do you know where's the most?
What?
Ah,
That's the most beautiful
this
view.
is the most beautiful
Yes.
view.
We're going to Domesville.
This road before.
So medyo off-road na tagamay guys. Off-road. Rough road lang di ay.
Mahulog yun na.
Posible. Kuya, wag biboy. Uy, beatbox naman.
So hi guys, today
It's recording na.
I know, but hi guys, today I am using my dad's camera, which sometimes I'm using the.
Tuyok ka ito?
Oh, I forgot. Yeah, we're going to. I mean, we are in.
Pero paano ka magnaog dito lang?
We are in
Sakyanan.
Tupi, and we're going to the house we went before when you guys weren't there.
Ka?
Wala ba yung dalan?
So let's just
Try lang daw.
be silent.
Naman no idalan agi sa ano sakyanan.
Sure,
Try
that was
sa-
wait lang. Nakakamay
Saka sa daw.
Also, I'm good. take a mango to get out of here. Do you understand?
Kaya pa, Maggie. Kaya pa, Maggie. So, ano siya ka doon sa Domesville, guys? Domesville is here. And then, we're going forward. Yes. Just a few blocks. Actually, 1 block lang yung no? After, ani na dako sa dako mga bago. Don't brave, you're gonna get the mango. Oh. After ani na bato, guys. You having fun? The house is there. Brave ang mangga, Brave.
Babe, sit down, please.
Mo na ni no? Ato, may palatandaan, guys. Tapos, ang sakyanan, pwede naman. You can see it.
I can see the swimming pool.
Wow, you can see it?
I can see the swimming pool.
Basta
Ayun.
mag-park.
Dada,
Ano sa pool?
Ano dito sa gilid?
I'm
Brave, ang mangga, oh, mahulog na. So this is the Rich and Apple farmhouse. So mauna ni ang balay, guys. Mauna siya. Dari ang parking lot.
Moving break.
Dari lang ang parking.
Mama, no. Moving break.
Brave. So guys, we're here. We're here now. Dala akong mangga. Abog kayo kung sakyanan. May hapon, sir! So we're here na! Finally, we're back! After a few months. Dari na house, guys. Kaya kami ang pinaka-first na nag-rent. Now, it looks different. And way better. So nice. Look. Wow. Oh, nagtanom na sila. So, na sila. Ani. May bonfire na dyan. And my portable pool. But we have to clean it pa.
Love the pool.
So,
Love the pool.
later guys, I'll tour you sa balay. So nice. Nice kayo siya. Ito lang, gwapo kayo yung pool. Itong first na mo naabot dari, wala pa ni siya na tiles. Karon kinaka-tiles na siya. Kompleto for washing, cooking, tako na ilang gas range. Look. And then, if ganahan mo, oh, it's so nice na. I'll tour you later. Bye-bye. Nagka-tiles na. Sige.
Naka-tiles na po ang wall.
Nagka-tiles na.
Brave, no jumping please. No jumping.
Wow, naghanap pipino, oy. Wow, they have free avocados. And pipino. Ano yung roof?
Ay. Ang chicken.
Ano na yung roof? Wow! Bonfire to niyang gabi. Look! It's like the room. Bright. Look! So nice. Comfy. Panel there. Mapo kay pwede naman siya i-leave open lang. Wow!
And ang matutum. Pero nakatabon siya.
Ay, butong. First time natin nagadto natay butong. Karon wala kay butong kay di pa siya hunod. So, let's do a refill. Mag-refill pa din. Pag idala na to ang chicken.
Ano ito kabalo? Ba na ako kabalo ka?
Wala ko na. Wala na ko nakabawala sa mga abrihan na.
Tada! Uy.
Diba?
Nasa daan ba? Nasa ano daan?
Ang working.
Can we go outside?
Let's go.
And then after and then walk?
Start na.
Dad, be careful.
Hi. Dinner time. Si dinner.
Dinner, bulalo.
Bulalo, sobra ganiya. Leftover.
And then, saan yun?
Samgyup. Samgyup. Pinya kanya katong free na kuan.
Free na
Pipino.
pipino dari. With Coca-Cola Zero Vanilla, which is weird. Weird
ang
siya
lasa.
lasa.
Ano mangyapon?
Well, Coke good gyapon siya, pero naa siya after.
Later, mag-bonfire mi diri. Ano palibot? Dulog na.
If there's no snake, there will be rats, right? Well, cats can eat rats.
Not really. Not all of them.
Wala?
Cats eat rats. They don't. They just kill it. They eat small rats like this. But the
But-
big ones, no.
They're
They
scared.
just-
They're also scared of it.
Oh,
Eat na. Nami ang soju? Baka ko
Sige, ano?
Alam niya ako.
No,
Inip
don't.
akong tubig.
Okay lang.
Anong di? Kape ko ta.
Okay lang man.
Kape. Mawala ba?
Nanay, good siya lang. Wow!
Be, show me the marshmallow, be.
Wala na. I know this. Bye bye. Where's the level 2? I just wanted to be her.
Hi, happy weekend.